Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to plot a vector in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to create some sort of plot or demonstration and you'd like to use vectors in that to demonstrate something. So I'll be showing you how to plot a vector in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so the code is easier to see. And what you're going to do is you're going to type graphics and a set of square brackets. Inside there, we're going to use the arrow function and another set of square brackets. And now you're going to have a set of curly brackets. And inside there, another set of curly brackets. And in this first set of curly brackets, you're essentially going to define the starting point of your arrow or your vector. So I'm just going to go with 1 and 0. Then you put a comma and another set of curly brackets, and that will be the end point of your arrow. So this first item here dictates where your arrow starts in the X position, and this is in the Y position. And in the second set of curly brackets, you're essentially going to define where it stops. So the length, and that's going to be 4 and 2 here. So if I run this, as you can see, I get an arrow that goes from the point 1, 0 to 4, 2, although it can't really be seen here, but yeah. And that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to plot a vector in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.